Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Canon EOS 1DX Mark II DSLR camera. This professional camera comes with a touch panel LCD screen of 3.2 inches along with 1.62 million dots, which has an anti-reflection design to ensure sharp and bright display. This 20.2 MP camera is capable of conferring expanded ISOs and higher standards. The full-frame CMOS sensor of this unit is useful in recording more pixels. It boasts of intelligent viewfinder 2 for the convenient composition as well as setting changes without the need to take the eye off the subject. The viewfinder of the camera can display more information upon the LCD display. It comes with a video resolution of FHD 1080p. Users prefer this model due to the burst speed of 16 fps. It can capture stunning photographs every time with the aid of the 4K video capabilities. It is inclusive of a mirror mechanism which has been designed for conferring highly precise performance. In addition to this, it is equipped with dual DIGIC6 Plus image processor and advanced RGB Plus ear metering sensor, which increases performance for the high processing speed. With the ISO range of 100x1200, this model can capture images at the expanded sensitivities. It also possesses a 61-point reticular AF system of high density along with 41 different cross-type points. It encompasses anti-flicker technology, which can adjust and detect the rapid on-off pulsing of different artificial lights. It is also preferred by the audience due to the magnesium alloy body construction, grip design, CFast cards, ready-made GPS, wireless file transmitter WFTE8A compatibility. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony A92 24.2 MP full-frame mirrorless digital camera. It is a popular professional camera that includes a touch screen of 3 inches. This 24.2 MP professional camera has earned a high reputation in the sector of photojournalism, photography, and sports. It encompasses a full-frame stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor along with integrated memory to ensure supreme speed. It includes consistent view OLED electronic TrueFinder along with 100% frame coverage. It also confers a video resolution of 4K UHD 2160p. Besides this, it stands second to none in conferring the burst speed of about 20 fps along with auto exposure tracking and autofocus. The artificial intelligence autofocus, along with the real-time AF tracking 6, ensures accurate image acquisition. Along with this, it has ready-made connectivity as well as file delivery to confer workflow of the professional along with file transfer over the TLS or SSL encryption for enhanced data security. The voice memo function feature enables attachment of the spoken information to the images, which assist in conveying crucial information. Real-time tracking 6 is ideal in tracking the subject automatically. Real-time IAF happens to be another crucial feature of this model, which employs artificial intelligence for the detection and processing of eye data in real time. Other crucial attributes of this unit are 5 GHz 7 wireless LAN support, FTP transfer functions, remote camera tool 12-VIR, 2.1, 1 gigabit per second Ethernet for ensuring faster communication, wireless PC remote shooting, 4K recording features, anti-flicker, image stabilization, dual US2 SD card slots. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS R5 full-frame mirrorless camera. The full-frame 45 MP CMOS sensors of this Canon EOS camera delivers phenomenal picture quality to the user. The DIGIC6 processor enhances the image's detail, reduces the noise in the videos, and records 8K footages with efficiency and speed. It can continuously shoot at up to 12 fps for the mechanical shutter and 20 fps for the silent shutter. This professional camera can record uncropped movies like videos at 8K DCI with 29.97 FPS and 4K videos at 119.9 FPS. The 5-axis inbuilt stabilizer delivers up to 8 stops for shake correction for a stable and clean image. The 2100K.3.2 inches tilting angle LCD touchscreen offers a highly detailed display of the capture and change of settings. With H.265 HDR-PQ and CMOS dual-pixel AF2, you can shoot the videos with more enhanced mobility in every recording mode. The device delivers accurate and rich color due to HDR-PQ with a 10-bit of 4:2:2 color ratio. Long-lasting battery grip and wireless file transmitter help to discover numerous alternatives to enable fast upload of the images and easy transferring. The subject tracking feature detects the eye, head, and face of your subjects that you want to capture with the lens. The 2.4 GHz inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi allow flawless and speedy connectivity. At number 2, we have the Olympus OM-DEM1 Mark III black camera body. Do you like to take pictures of the sky full of stars? Then this professional camera from Olympus allows you to capture stunning shots of the star-filled skies with new AF settings. The 20MP of MOS live sensors, together with M-Zuiko lenses, provide an image quality that exceeds even the highest expectations of the photographers. The revamped Eye and Face Priority AF offers outstanding tracking and detection performance of the subjects. The inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection quickly transfer all the content of the gadget to another remote device with ease. The 3" SLR-style mirrorless 1037K dot display comes with weather-sealed protection that makes it ideal to use even in adverse weather circumstances. You can capture any 4K DCI videos at 18 FPS and Full HD recordings at 60 FPS with no noise from the electronic shutter. The sensor shift image stabilization gives the device a blazing speed with a nice color to your photos and videos with no shakiness or blurriness. It also consists of 121 points of precision tracking and targeting for every subject. And finally at number 1, we have the Nikon Z50 compact mirrorless digital camera. With 3.2 inches 1040K flip-down LCD touchscreen, this mirrorless camera from Nikon has become one of the best gadgets for capturing selfies and content for vlogging. The DX CMOS 20.9MP sensors and engine processor of EXP-EED6. The camera gets an advantage of the wide Z mount for gathering maximum light. Due to this feature, even the videos and photos shot in low or no light appear to be professional. It also gives a preview of how your images will look in real time through the high-definition electronic viewfinder. The well-balanced image stabilization offers firm and clean pictures and video output even when you are shooting in the shakiest surroundings. The high sensitivity range of 51,200 of the camera delivers noiseless videos. When you find your subject in a flat and dark environment, you can add a pop-up of the flash to your videos and photos. The silent mode of photography is ideal in capturing the wildlife and BTS subjects in complete pin-drop silence. Now you can shift all the content of the camera to your phone, computer, or laptop through the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with the help of the SnapBridge app. You can also remotely control the device from your phone via this app. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.